That's just a leaf.
Bye, guys.
Okay, Malachi, go for it.
I can't.
Boy, I'm recording. I can't either.
I will. Wait,
Make sure your stick is straight, okay? Make sure your stick is straight. There we go. Right? No, right only. Right only. Right only for now. There we go. Keep going. Ooh, you're doing great. You're doing great. There we go. You got this. Look at my Captain Malachi. Woohoo! He's doing great. Look at Jacob trying. Look at Jacob. He's trying to do it too. Okay, you guys, wave. Finally, we got this.
There's a dolphin.
In a river?
that's not true.
There's a river dolphin. When Dad said dolphin, here's my reaction. Hey, watch your jet.
What is that? What?
Oh my God, oh my God.
Would you not?
Stop, Malachi.
What was that? It's okay. I kind of hit it.
It's okay, I'm going backward. Don't move, don't move.
You're going back? You're going back?
I'm gonna go back towards Daddy.
Why?
Yeah, let the river like stroll your way. It'll feel good.
Watch out, Jet.
Okay, go forward, go forward.
Daddy,
Yes.
go back.
Are you getting seasick? This is just the river. How do you like kayaking our first time?
I think I might do it one more time and then I'll be done.
Okay. Malachi, how about you?
I'm going back.
Thumbs up? All right. How you guys like kayaking over there?
I need you to turn around. Mommy, now hold together.
No, I got
I
it,
just
baby.
need you to turn around.
Okay, I'll turn it.
I
I got it.
Mom.
Now?
Ask your daddy.
Alright, let's go back and get
Let's go get some
some
Baskin Robbins, y'all. You guys are hitting the sides again.
Please, I don't want to go back. This thing did not feel like an hour. It felt like 5 minutes. I mean, 20 but that's not an hour. We spent 50
Okay, I gotta
minutes to get over.
steer.